The pace of disinflation, falling pace of inflation on the factory gate is intensifying. We're getting that number, PPI for May, at 5.5%. The consensus estimate was for 5.6%, and also counters what we saw the previous month of 6.4%. Inflation, yes, its prices are still inflating, but we're seeing it come off boil a little bit, the wholesale prices. This would be the slowest pace of factory gate inflation so far this year, and the third month in a row now of price disinflation. Of course, we had 4.5 years of deflation at the factory gate. That took a sudden change about 9 months ago, and we've seen that, however, peak, perhaps reflecting the commodity prices that have come off boil. So the prices at the factory gate are also coming down. However, we're not seeing that feed into CPI inflation much because of the overcapacity issues in industrial China. Let's change the page and we can talk about CPI inflation, still fairly benign. However, it is the highest pace since January at 1.5%. CPI inflation in May, it was 1.2% in the previous month. It matches the expectations of the economists surveyed by Bloomberg. So recapping again, PPI inflation in May, 5.5%, a little bit lower than the consensus estimate of 5.6%, and also CPI coming in bang in line with estimates, 1.5%. Overall, a fairly benign CPI inflationary picture, and also, as you can see, is from that bar chart, the PPI factory gate inflation coming off boil a little bit on the back of lower commodity prices. Back to you guys.